This is from XGenius again. Today we'll see how to create category, subcategory, child category for the digital product. So let's go to our eShop or our digital product theme admin panel. I have already logged in my admin panel, and here is the digital product section. First, go to category manage. Here you can create categories for your digital product. First, go here, category manage, then at the top right, you can see a button, new category. Click on it and a model will open. You can put your desired category name. For example, the slug will auto generate, and from here you can select the desired type of this category. Like this category can be for image, for video, for audio or software. Like ebook, it can be a software or anything like file. I put here artwork, digital artwork. So artwork must be an image, so I'm selecting here image. So you can put description and image for the category. It's optional, it's not mandatory. And select the status type of this category. If you keep publish, then this category will be publicly visible at the front end. If you add draft, then it will not be visible to general viewers. After filling all the fields, hit add new. I have created some categories before. After creating the category, you can also edit from here and delete from here. It's totally on you. After creating the category, if you want, you can subcategory. Let's go to a subcategory. Here it is our subcategory section. It's same as category. You can create subcategory here. It's totally the same way, the same process you created the category. You fill the section from here, like after the name, slug and description, you must have to create the category. Here the category list. If I select art, it means this subcategory will be under this category. And after that, you can select image. It's totally optional. Then status, hit add new. After that, you will get the subcategory. I have created a subcategory before. You can edit and delete from here. After that, you can also create child category. Go to child category manage. Here you can create your child category. The process is same as category and subcategory manage. Click new child category. Just fill up the name, and the slug will auto generate the description. After that, you have to select the category. If I select course, after that the subcategories under that category will appear, and you have to select the subcategory too. This means this child category will be under the subcategory, and this subcategory is under this category. After filling those all input field, hit add new. I have created a child category before. In this digital product section, the category is mandatory, but subcategory and child category is optional. If you want, you can add the subcategory and the child category in your product. If you don't want, you can skip these two, subcategory and child category, but category is mandatory. Here is all for the category, subcategory, and child category managers. Thank you.